Hello guys, welcome back to Best Income Answers. In this video today I'm going to be talking about how to set up your moving averages for your charts on Thinkorswim. For those of you who don't know, moving averages are basically indicators that you can use in a chart to see what the trend is. Unfortunately, there are lagging indicators. For example, if you are looking at the 10 moving average, exponential, or simple, you are basically looking at the price of the last 10 candles. I've made a specific videos regarding moving averages. I will leave a link in the description below if you have more, if you are interested and are looking for more information. And if you're new to this channel, my name is Rob. Here we talk about the stock market, business strategies, and overall personal finances. If this is something that is of interest to you, I encourage you to go ahead and subscribe and hit the like button, because you will definitely find valuable information. Now onto the video. Moving averages on Thinkorswim. This is one of the best platform. I really like it because of the way that it looks and everything else. To set it up, so this is your usual chart setup. You would go here on studies, and this is where basically you would find all of the studies that are listed on Thinkorswim that you would be looking for. In the case for the moving averages, there are two of them. You can have the simple, so going into this bar here, you would time simple, and this would be your simple moving average. If you are looking for the exponential, you would go ahead and write it down, and then you would have it here. Just to make a quick example how to edit it, I'm going to be adding one simple and one exponential. So once you find the study that you want, you click on it, and then you said add selected. In the case of simple, and then going here, as you can see here, these are both moving averages, simple and exponential, and they are giving you the 9 moving average. By default, if you select them and you apply them, the issue that happens here is that you can't differentiate between the colors. And for those of you that might be wondering what is the difference between simple and exponential, again, I went over it in a previous video that I made, but simply put, exponential is simply more reactive to the stock price than the simple moving average is. So the way that you go about that, you would go about editing this study just to make the difference, to change your moving average so that you can identify them better in your chart. You would go into studies, and then you would click on this sign here, and this is the tab that would open for you to edit your moving average. So the length basically is the time period that you are looking for, so in this case 10, and here you have how you want it to be drawn, the style, and the width, and of course the color. So if you want to differentiate between your moving averages, so in this case, if I wanted the exponential to be red and the simple to be blue, then this is it. This is how you would identify them, and this is how you have the change. So this would be your simple and this would be your exponential. Now if you are setting it up properly, like me personally, I like to use exponential moving averages. So going here, I like to use the 10, the 20, and the 50, so I can have an idea of what is the overall price behavior. So if you're going here, you would add them 3, and there you go, and then you would go ahead and click apply. As soon as you click apply, all of them are going to be in the chart. But if we are looking at here, because it is the 9, all of them are one over the other, so you cannot differentiate them, and this is not what I want. I wanted the 10, 20, and 50. So here you would go to this sign again, you click 10 here for the length that you are looking for, and usually the 10, because it is the one that's moving faster, I like it in red, and then I like to do, and then you click OK. The 20, We do the same here. I click blue, leave it in blue, and then the 50, because it is the slowest of the three, I like to put it purple, and then I increase its size to 3 so I can make the difference better, so that it can stand out, because the 50 moving average, a lot of traders use it as support and resistance level, especially if you're looking to do a scalp trade or anything like that. So this is a point in the chart that is really important. So this is where you would go, and once you are done, so now you verify you have your 10, 20, and 50, and then you hit apply, and there it is. So this is a chart of Facebook, and this is the 50. As you can see, it is bigger and stands out so that you can differentiate it, and this is the 20 and this is the 10. And one of the trick also for the moving averages, you can use them as string indicators. So as you can see here, whenever you are in a strong uptrend, you would have all the three of them diverging like this, and like for example here, if you are looking for an entry point here, you gapped up on this candle on the daily, and then they are diverging, and so this would be an indication that this stock is in an uptrend. So the strategy would have been to wait to see if the stock would go into a pullback, which it did here, and most likely it could have hit the 50 and then you would have taken the trade, but then it did not even hit the 10 moving average, and then it kept going up. So this was really a really strong uptrend. And then the downtrend also, it is the same. If you are looking at it to this point, when they cross and the price is below all of them, and then they are strongly diverging like this, so this is also an indication of a downtrend. And then all you have to do at this point is simply waiting for the price to cross over the moving averages as it did here. And then the second signal that I like to wait for is for the short-term moving average to cross over the long-term moving average. And then as this is done, the trend continues. So this is a technical analysis strategy that you can use to implement for your chart. Of course, this is not the only information that you will be looking for. You will be looking also for other validation signals, either news or volume or any type of information that you use for a strategy to make your decisions. But overall, as a lagging indicator, the moving averages can give you an idea of what is happening in the stock market and where you personally can go and place your trade. So going forward, now you know how to set up your moving averages, and hopefully this will be helping you in your trading. If you find value in this video, I will please ask you to click the like button and to subscribe to this channel. That will help me out a lot. And if there is any specific video that you'd like for me to cover, any questions that you might have, the comment section is there for that. You go there, leave me a comment, and I will go over them, and I will do my best to answer your questions and put out content that is of use to you guys. Thank you very much, and I will be seeing you in the next video.